In this video, I will show you how to fix the Discord installation has failed error. So this does work for most of the installation errors for Discord, and there's a few fixes that I have for you guys to try out. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, we're going to start with fix 1. What you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here type run and then open up run underneath best match. Now into the run box you want to type the following command, which is a % symbol followed by app data, and then another % symbol, and then hit enter on your keyboard. Now what it's going to do is open up a folder like this. In here you want to look for a Discord folder. If you do have a Discord folder showing up, then simply click to select the folder, right click, and then click on to delete this Discord folder. Once that's done, what you can do is close this down, come back to your search box at the bottom, again open up run underneath best match. This time we're going to type the following command, which is a % symbol local app data, and then another % symbol, and again hit enter. Again, what we're going to do is look for a Discord folder. So it's in alphabetical order, so you just want to come down to D, and there should be a Discord folder here. If there is one showing up, again, what you need to do is click to highlight, right click, and then click on to delete. Once that's done, close the folder down, and what you want to do now is come down to your search box again, and this time you're going to type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. From here, come across to the menu on the left hand side and click onto network and internet. Then what you need to do is click onto VPN, and if you are currently using a VPN, be sure to turn this off. And once that's done, you can close this down and see if that fixes the problem, see if Discord will now install. So if that didn't work for you, the next thing you're going to want to do is if you come back to your desktop and you want to come down to your taskbar and right click onto an empty space of your taskbar, then what you want to do is click onto Task Manager. Now when your Task Manager loads through, use the search box at the very top. In here type Discord, and if anything is coming up related to Discord that's running in the background, what you want to do is right click onto this and click onto end task and just wait for that to finish so that nothing is showing for Discord. Once that's done, go ahead and open up an internet browser, come across to discord.com/download. What you want to do is download the installer for Windows or Mac or whichever operating system you're using. Once the setup has finished downloading, what you can do is open up your downloads folder, and once you've opened up the downloads folder, you should see the setup installation for Discord in here. What you want to do before double clicking to open is actually right click onto the setup program, and on this menu you want to come and click onto properties, then come up to the top and click onto compatibility, and in the settings section come down and tick the box to run this program as an administrator. Once that's done, click apply and OK to apply your changes, and then what you can do is double click to see if that starts running and if you're now able to install Discord successfully. That didn't work for you, there's one final thing we can check, and that's going to be the Windows installer service. So this is basically a very important part of Windows, which allows programs and apps to be installed. Sometimes this does stop working or it pauses, so to check this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box again in the bottom in your taskbar. This time type services and then open up services underneath best match. Now once the services has opened through, what you want to do on this long list is scroll all the way to the bottom. Again, it's in alphabetical order, so you just want to come down to W. And once you get to W, you want to search for something called Windows Installer. You can see that's just here, and once you found this, double click and that's going to open up a window like this. Now if the surface status is stopped, then what you want to do is click on to start and then click apply and OK. Once you've done that, there's one final thing you can do, which is from your desktop come down to your search box, and this time you want to type CMD. Then what you want to do is right click onto command prompt underneath best match and run this as administrator. Now what you want to do is type the following command into here, which is msi-exec space /unreg. Now what it's going to do is basically uninstall the Windows installer service, but we're going to reinstall it as well to see if that fixes the problem. So just go ahead, hit that to uninstall, and then to reinstall you want to type this command, which is msi-exec space /reg server. and then hit enter. And once you've done that, go ahead and type exit, hit enter to come out of your command prompt, and all you need to do now is go ahead and restart your PC to apply the changes. Once that's done, you should now be able to install Discord, no problem at all. So that is how to fix any Discord installation has failed errors. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.